Are you wondering how to get the money to buy your dream home in Hawaii? Aloha, I'm Nui with Team Nakanishi on Hawaii Island.
And I'm Gabi from Oahu, and we are realtors with Hawaii Life. And here are the 4 most common loans that we see across the islands. We have conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, but let's take a look at them.
Hey, Gabby, maybe we should start off by saying that just because you qualify for a loan doesn't mean that the property does. Most loan programs require the home to be permitted and in relatively good condition. Okay, let's continue.
Okay, first, conventional. Conventional typically gives you more options than the other loan types. You can use conventional for your primary residence, your second home, or investment properties. You can obtain this type of loan with as little as 3% down, with good credit, of course. But with a 20% down payment, you can avoid this thing called PMI.
Well, maybe we should explain what PMI is. What do you think, Gabby?
Oh, yeah. PMI stands for Private Mortgage Insurance. It's an insurance that you pay to the lender when you have less than 20% equity in your home. You can avoid PMI by putting 20% down or by building equity over time.
And next, let's talk about FHA. FHA is often mistaken for a first-time home buyer program because you don't need to have perfect credit. But you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to obtain an FHA loan. It does have to be your primary residence. But an FHA loan requires only a 3.5% down payment and comes with PMI. Unlike conventional, you cannot get rid of the PMI once you have 20% equity. The PMI sticks with you for the life of the loan. Next, let's talk about VA. VA loans are not for everybody. They're for the very special people that have served in the U.S. military.
Mahalo!
VA loans can be obtained with 0% down, but there's a funding fee that gets wrapped into the loan. It's also important to note that VA is a little more picky with the loan condition of the home. In fact, on Hawaii Island, there are even additional inspections required. And lastly, USDA.
USDA is another great 0% down option and can be used for those with lower credit scores. But it's only offered in rural areas, but not to worry, Hawaii is almost totally rural.
Unfortunately, Hilo on Hawaii Island is not considered rural, but you can find something very nice just on the outskirts, a few miles outside of Hilo or in other parts of the island.
Even in Oahu, surprisingly, there are areas that qualify for USDA like Kapolei, North Shore, Kaneohe, even Waimanalo. USDA is also pretty strict about the home condition and must be used for your primary residence. Now, this was just a quick review. Your favorite lender can answer all your detailed finance questions, and if you don't have a favorite lender, not to worry, we can share ours.
Mahalo for watching!